This video shows you how to make a special type of Play-Dough that will harden into permanent creations. This is a simple salt dough recipe. It uses basic ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. You will need all-purpose flour, table salt, and warm water. The standard ratio is easy to remember. Use 2 parts flour to 1 part salt and 1 part water. For a good-sized batch, let's use 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1 cup of warm water. First, get a large mixing bowl. Combine your dry ingredients in the bowl. That means you should add the 2 cups of flour and the 1 cup of salt. Whisk them together thoroughly. This ensures the salt is evenly distributed. Now, it's time to add the water. Pour the warm water in slowly. Add it a little at a time while you stir with a spoon or spatula. The dough will start to get shaggy and difficult to mix with the spoon. This is when you switch to using your hands. Lightly flour a clean countertop or a large cutting board. Turn the dough out onto the floured surface. Now, you need to knead the dough. Push it down and away from you with the heel of your hand. Fold it over and repeat. Knead for about 10 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic. If your dough feels too sticky, just sprinkle a little more flour on it. If it feels too dry and crumbly, add water 1 teaspoon at a time. The final texture should be like a firm, non-sticky Play-Dough. Now for the fun part, creating your models. You can roll it out with a rolling pin. Use cookie cutters to make simple shapes like stars or hearts. These are perfect for ornaments. Use a straw to poke a hole at the top before you dry them. You can also sculpt small figures, make beads, or create a plaque with your handprint. Once you are happy with your creations, it's time to harden them. You have 2 options for this. The first option is air drying. Place your pieces on a wire rack or a parchment-lined baking sheet. Leave them in a warm, dry spot. Air drying takes a long time. It could take 2 to 3 days, or even longer for very thick items. Remember to flip your pieces over once a day. This helps them dry evenly on both sides. The second, faster option is baking. Preheat your oven to a very low temperature. Set it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 120 degrees Celsius. A low temperature is very important. If the oven is too hot, your creations might puff up, crack, or burn. Place your items on a baking sheet. Bake for about 1 to 2 hours. Thinner pieces will need less time. Check on them frequently. They are ready when they are hard to the touch. Turn off the oven and let them cool down completely before handling them. Once your salt dough pieces are completely hard and cool, you can decorate them. Acrylic paints work best. You can also use permanent markers for details. After the paint is dry, you can seal your project. A clear spray sealer or a brush-on sealant like Mod Podge will protect your art. This makes it more durable and gives it a nice finish. This simple, non-toxic dough lets you make lasting keepsakes and gifts. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more creative projects.